So friends, now let us see how to fold the fitted bed sheets. First, lay the bed sheet flat on the ground or on the bed. Now hold the bottom corners of the bed sheet and put them, tuck them inside the upper corners of the bed sheet. So tuck them in. Now hold the other end of the bed sheets, say from right you go to left and put the right corner of the bed sheet into the left corner. Yes. Now after this, hold the one side, one corners and bring it to the center of the sheet and repeat the same on the other side. So bring it to exactly in the middle of the bed sheet. Now fold it over again, and now you just have to make 3 folds. Yes. So the fold is ready.